All India Congress Committee Aicc Media Coordinator Bobbeeta Sharma accused Chief Minister Conrad Sangma of being hand in glove with the Bharatiya Janata Party following his remarks on Rahul Gandhi's disqualification from Lok Sabha. While speaking to media persons here today, she said that the Chief Minister has always been with the Saffron Party from the beginning, adding that the mudslinging between the two parties during elections was nothing but mere drama. Earlier, Chief Minister had termed Rahul Gandhi's challenge to Prime Minister Narendra Modi as unfortunate following his conviction in a defamation case by a Surat court. Sangma said Gandhi should apologize since his remark is an insult to the entire OBC community.
Complaint withdraws his own request of stay in the Gujarat High Court. This MLA, Mr. Purnesh Modi, he again withdraws. He again resumes, trial again resumes in the court on February 27th. March 23rd, 2023, trial court convicts Rahul Gandhi and hands down maximum sentence of 2 years. March 24, 2023, Lok Sabha Secretariat disqualifies Rahul Gandhi within 24 hours.
The Hindu Trep Youth Council